The NF-A882 Outdoor Wi-Fi Extender is designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, making it ideal for outdoor use in harsh environments. This Wi-Fi extender offers dual-band coverage with speeds up to 867 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band, ensuring strong and fast connections for streaming and online activities. Supporting multiple power supply modes, including Power over Ethernet, allows for flexible installations in locations without extensive infrastructure. With its dual Gigabit LAN ports and a Gigabit WAN port, the device provides outstanding wired backhaul speed, making it suitable for handling multiple high-demand applications simultaneously. The extender features versatile mounting options, enabling it to be easily installed on walls or poles, and includes all necessary hardware for a straightforward setup. Overall, the NF-A882 is a robust and flexible solution for extending Wi-Fi coverage across large outdoor areas, enhancing connectivity for various applications.